Hello everyone, today I will show you how to use Magic Edit in Canva, and here's how it is done. Start a new project in Canva and upload a photo, either from Canva's elements or your own camera. Then click on Edit Photo and select Magic Edit. Adjust the brush size and highlight the area you want to change. For example, let us swap out this torch for an ice cream cone. After that, click Continue. Describe what you want to generate, like typing ice cream cone, and then hit Generate. Now, sit back and watch the magic unfold. Once the images are generated, choose the one that looks best. I'm going with this one. Ta-da! Now you are a Canva magician. And that is everything you need to know about how to use Magic Edit in Canva. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.